Okay, you guys, so back, it is 12:39. I have to clean up the house. Liam running around here. I'm making breakfast. I wanted to do fried potatoes. Sausage, I only have a little sausage left because the other ones went bad. And sausage and egg. So I'm doing that. The kids are watching Chico Bomb Bomb. What are you talking about? So I need to charge up this camera. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Okay.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, let's see you. Okay. So I think I'm gonna do a matcha latte this morning as well. My kitchen is a mess. I'm gonna give y'all a little quick little glimpse. I gotta load the dishwasher, just mess. Stuff here, everywhere. It's just everywhere. So we'll go ahead and clean up and get the house in order. And all of that while I'm making breakfast. It's bowls everywhere because Liam is a little terror. No! Y'all, get your nephew. Here, Liam, get the stuff off the floor. Get all the bowls off the floor. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'm going to charge this camera while I make my potatoes. I got to clean up. Guys, go downstairs, Mila J, and I want you to put on your different tennis shoes. So I'm about to go to Ikea because I want to see what they have for the new season. So yeah, so that's that. I am rocking a crop top. Let me show y'all. This is my look. This is my look for today. All right, and so this is what I'm wearing today. I'm gonna put on some sneakers. So, just a denim and my favorite crop top right now. This is Selena crop top. Real quick, real comfortable. Y'all, I cut these lashes. Y'all, I need to literally get my lashes done. I cut these shorter because they was doing too much. I just gotta get my lashes done. I gotta, I'm actually trying out this new lash tech. So, Lauren put me on to her. So, I'm gonna try her out and see, see her lashes or whatever. I kind of want to, like, different style lashes. She also do color lashes. So, I definitely am excited about trying her out. I just gotta get in her books. Don't pull all these shoes out, girl, boy.
Oh, what shoes did I?
Liam, you don't want to put on these Jordans? You put on these Jordans?
No, we got watch that. He said Jordans.
Y'all soak these up here.
We can watch that. But you want to get my shoes, Mom? That's it. Because those shoes are dope.
You soaked up these.
Mom, I should get some of those, Mom.
Okay, I'll get you some.
You give me some of those cool shoes like Quad got?
Yes.
Those
But for today,
are Jordans.
let me put on these shades too.
This is like Quad?
gray shoes that have the 26s on. Come on.
Where's that?
Mila, look for them. You said where they at and you haven't looked. Come on, Quad. You put these on.
I just don't see them.
Look for them. They the gray khaki ones.
These?
No, these are quads. Do they say 26?
Yeah.
Yes, 26. That's 26. Make sure both. Come on, Liam. I got you. Quad, get those off the couch.
These are 42.
I got you.
These are 42.
42. No, these are 24. 24. Remember, you go by what's in front first. 2. Come on, Liam. I got the shoes that you're going to wear today. No, Mila, you have the 26s on. Put those on. Quad. Put these on. Y'all.
Bobby.
I need to spray my face on.
Bobby, you got nice eyes.
Thank you, baby.
Mama, eyes to see. Mama, I found 2-6. I found it.
26. Okay.
No, they both want the same person. I love that shoe. I found it, Mom. I found it.
All right, got your shoes. They over there. Come on.
They,
Not the sandals.
not the same.
They over here, baby. Okay, Mila, put your 2 shoes on.
This is very good.
2.
This is very good.
Quad. Turn those over and put your feet in them.
The right foot.
This is the right foot.
Whoop's this?
Not the boots. It ain't quite that cold. Come on.
Yeah, it's not that cold.
Right.
It's a little bit cold, so that's why you don't
Ooh, it is so chaotic. Lord have mercy.
What? We're gonna wear those Jordan shoes.
Yeah.
Jordan.
I gotta get you some more J's, Mila.
You gotta give me some.
Yep. I'm gonna buy you some more. Oh, you so dramatic. So dramatic.
I did that because I'm so excited getting Jordans.
Okay, so what I want you to do is, put your shoes on. Quad, put your shoes on.
This is a kite. Let me see at the video. I'm sorry, Mommy, that did.
Scoot back where Mila at. Put your shoes on. Show them how to put your shoes on. Scoot back.
Okay.
Scoot all the way back towards Mila. Yep, there you go. Mila, you can stay right there. Put your shoes on.
I can see the video. Yeah. Mommy, why has this iPad? One.
It's just focusing on you guys both. But hurry up.
Us. This is so tricky. Shoot.
Quad, boy, put your shoes on.
This is kind of tricky. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom.
Hey,
I need look.
he said LeBron James.
I got some movies.
Yep, right.
Here, let me say LeBron James.
Yep, it's Jordan.
Jordan shoes. You're gonna wear Jordan shoes?
Quad, put your feet in your shoe.
I'm Jordan shoes. Are we going somewhere?
Yes.
Are we going to Look. Are we playing outside? Look.
No, you'll see. Lick your lips. You got toothpaste on your lips.
I got toothpaste on my
Yeah,
lips.
you got. I gotta wipe your. Yeah, you got a little toothpaste on your mouth.
I see.
Don't mess with it.
I do got and my mouth on my lips. See? I got it. I washed the toothpaste.
Oh, that's right. Pray, Liam. That's what I'm talking about. In Jesus' name. Y'all pray before we leave. Come on.
Father God, in the name of Jesus, thank you. Father God,
Shh, one at a time.
and I thank you that you can show me how to do things, and you can get love and do everything you do to us, God. In Jesus' name, amen.
Stop it. In Jesus' name, amen. Okay, Quad, your turn. Pray before we leave. Stop.
Dear Jesus,
Give God your undivided attention. Pray. And speak clear so he can hear you. You know how to speak. Come on.
In Jesus' name, amen.
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 Amen. All right. God's going to protect us as we go out today. Okay, y'all. I'm at Ikea finally. I went to Starbucks first. Got a little snack. I made little snacks at the house for the kids. They call me J. And I'm kind of in here looking for a new sofa. Like, I don't think I'm gonna get myself in here, but I was looking at some of the little couch sofas because I want to switch up some stuff in my living room, like I've been talking about for the last year now. And I also want to finish my bedroom, finish the living room, finish the dining, like dressing the dining and stuff like that, and finish the kids' rooms. So I have a lot of rooms to complete. Yep. But I'm starting off with like I need something like this, and I like this color. Let me show y'all. I like this color right here because I kind of want to break up the seating, but I choice because I don't have to worry about it getting dirty. I don't have to worry about like the jean coming on here and stuff like that. And this is like the color I want to go in the living room. It's like the cream. This is comfortable and it's short, so that guests are not like right up on each other.
That is gas. Yeah, we got it right.
I think I want this in my room because in my room I have like this tone, which is like the champagne. And I think in here, I think I'm gonna put like my fragrances. I think like, I don't know, I wanna do something with this. It's like $229. I think I need to come back when I don't have the kids, and I think I'm gonna get this for my room because I feel like I wanna do something real dope with this color right here. You need to stop. Liam, listen. Stop.
Stop.
Do something else.
Stop or stop?
So yeah, I think this right here, because like I said, I really have like the champagne tones, like the soft champagne look, and I feel like, stop it now. I think I want to put like decor in here. Like I'm gonna look up some ideas, but I want to have like decor in here with like my fragrances or something. I just want to have like a showcase, and I feel like this is fire. Like this will be so pretty in my room. So I think I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna come back without the kids, but it's the Billy one. Yeah. What's up, y'all? So I'm about to wash my car. The lighting is crazy. So it's the perfect day out. I was supposed to go and get a massage today, but that didn't work out so well because the obvious. The kids are upstairs napping right now. So I'm gonna get some stuff done. So y'all, let's see me wash my car. I'm on this little new tripod I got. Well, I been had, but I found it. I look kind of funny on camera. I don't like it. So. What's up, y'all? So I am currently at Target. Y'all, my hair is just getting on my nerve. I think I want to just do it like that. Okay, so y'all, I'm at Target. I'm about to go in and get some stuff because I feel like grilling. So I'm about to grill. Let me see. I'm about to grill and I need a couple things. So let's see. And then I gotta drop another vloggy vlog. Alright. My allergies is like, ugh. You know how you feel like, ugh.